Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu anfiqu min tayyibati ma kasabtum wa mimma akhrajna lakum min al-ard wa la tayammamul khabitha minhu tunfiquna wa lastum bi'akhizihi illa أن تغمضوا فيه واعلموا أن الله غني حميد. Translation: O believers, spend in charity good things out of your earning and from what we produce from the earth for you, and do not intend of spending bad things which you will not take yourselves but with closed eyes. And know that Allah is absolutely free of needs and worthy of all praise. Meaning that whatever we spend in the path of Allah must be from the wealth which is earned by halal means, by the permissible means, and it must not have any forbidden items or money or anything earned by haram means. And it should not be a money of doubt. It should be a clean and the best money that we may have. The bad things, the things that are rotten or that are not of good quality, should never be given in the path of Allah, in the way of Allah. The best of the best things should be given. Hazrat Bara bin Azib Razillah Ta'ala anhu said that this ayah came for Ansar, and he was from Ansar, and he said that we owned the gardens of dates, and we would bring the dates for the Ashab Sufa according to our ability, and few of us were not very firm in Iman, and they would bring some of the poor quality dates and the rotten dates or the broken dates, and these dates were hung in the Masjid al-Nabawi, in the Masjid, the Mosque of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the poor needy muhajirin would eat from these dates. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah and commanded that spend the best provision, the best money in the path of Allah, in the way of Allah. And this money could be the wealth that we earned with our arms, or we have produced from our gardens, or from our cultivation, or even the minerals that we have gotten from the earth, or we have made something in our factories or produced elsewhere. Best of the best should be spent in the path of Allah. Those that are discarded and that are broken or rotten, these should not be spent in the path of Allah. Nobody can deceive Allah, and Allah knows exactly what we are spending. And if these discarded things are given to us, we would never accept them. So what we don't accept for ourselves, we should not give it to our Muslim brothers. In the end, Allah said that Allah is absolutely free of needs. He is Ghani, and Ghani is the one who has everything and does not require or need anything. And He is Hamid as well. He is worthy of all praise, and He does not need to be praised because He deserves all the praise. So let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and make us among those who spend the best of the best in the path of Allah. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.